Types of collisions. A collision involves the interaction between two or more objects, where the objects come in contact and then move together or in different directions. In collisions, we consider the colliding objects to be a system. If there are no external forces acting on the system, it is an isolated system, and total linear momentum is conserved. Collisions are classified into two types: elastic collisions and inelastic collisions. In both these types of collisions, total momentum is conserved, but kinetic energy is conserved only in the elastic collision. Thus, we can define an elastic collision as a collision in which total linear momentum and kinetic energy are both conserved. Note, however, that energy cannot be lost, so total energy is always conserved in all collisions. In an elastic collision, the objects undergo temporary compression during the collision, but are elastic and therefore regain their original shape. In an inelastic collision, the objects undergo permanent deformation during the collision. Some kinetic energy is converted to sound, and some of it deforms the bodies permanently.
Starting to feel it? Now go master it with Maski.